guys. Wagwan, welcome me late, but me reach. We are me see them have one like gift shop. Oh, these are so cool. So look at all these stuff. Look at these bags. These are nice. You know, so me always I go bring on a show on the different things. But I like this. Walk with me. Ben, you reach. Wagwan Ben. Big up yourself. I'm sure now. Welcome in. Them have some cool looking stuff. You've been thinking about this all day. Welcome, Ben. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. Ooh, nice looking hat. Polly! Wagwan! Me blurry. Me not like that. Thanks to make me no pals. And I know Wi-Fi no, can me take you for the Wi-Fi. Me I use my data. But me I wonder if I because me inside. If that's the reason. Oh, me still know. Talk to me. Wagwan. Hey, Polly. Thank you guys for being here. These are so nice. Is it a little better? Better, good. So no could tell me say lens one clean off. Jesus Christ. Thank you so much. You look like I steam cause we did a cook today and a record, so maybe steam did still fuck up over this. Gonna get Jesus Christ. Alright, me now go do this. Me come out of the place, yeah. Make me come out of the place because I don't like that. What we are eat today? That we are. You're welcome. Talk to me, guys. Always see you now. We good? Thank you for the thumbs up. Perfect. Wonderful. Thank you, Chrissy. Welcome in. Okay, guys. Big up in a style. Thank you for being here. Sorry for the technical difficulty earlier, but you know me that bring on in the gift shop. That ain't work. So here we are. We are at. We are at. Jesus Christ. What am I there again? Lord have mercy. Food truck heaven. Yes. This is a different food truck spot. So here we are. Here we are, and it's gonna be fantastic. Yes, a different fruit truck. This is not the same location. It's a different location. Sure. They might give you a sample. Mercy. Oh wow. Thank you. Oh wow. Guys, they might give you food. They look like they look when we are know so we're hungry. Murder. Salt, yeah. Jesus Christ. Jesus. I don't know what to do. How do I react? You know when can pork well can. Hey, pressure. Wow, that's crazy. I was not expecting that. You see, when you love free things, that happen to you in a life, you know. All right, so over here, so it's given Puerto Rico. Oh, pork, nice. It's soft, you know, it's very tender, and it have the flavor and everything. But why? It's salt, man. It's salt getaway. It's salt getaway another one day. Brazilian fruit truck. I mean, like, We'll wait a little bit later if we come today because the last time when we did go everywhere never warm. So now we are walk, you see everywhere warm. So me I give another grand tour and then after we decide where we are go get. It's salted beef, they usually serve it with cabbage. Oh, it look like that's what it is. Okay. Oh, look at this cute little truck. I like that. Donut and something rotted over here. So they have, stop and laugh after me. Over here, so they have ramen, hibachi, boba. Ooh. Ooh. I like this. And this setup really good too because even inside, you see how cool that look? You see any which part you see a line? It is a yes. Anywhere you see a line, it is a yes. So far, yeah, that one they look good. Ah, they have this ice cream sundae. No man, the one is full of variety, man. Not just only food, but a lot of different things too. That's good. I like it. Oh, look over here, so smoothies. Thank you guys for liking up the live. Thank you so much. Nice. So I'm gonna put up the poll. Nobody could remind me about the poll. I saw no did see it. That's crazy. Let me put up a poll. Hold on. Put up a poll. Food truck heaven. I say your name. Can you imagine? Start poll. All right, poll vote up. Thank you. Polly, I know say. Polly, we say I give moderator vibes in the Polly. Thank you for liking up the live. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate it. All right, but the one here do, as you can see, the one here not really big like the other one. It's small. Tacos, burrito, if you're into that, it's not bad. Ooh, nachos and all that stuff. Over here, so them have the frappes and all of that. The last time we did try the chocolate chip frappe, it was good. See? All right, what them have over here so now? Ooh, this looks spicy hot. Dominican truck. Boy, I love Dominican food, you know. Dominican. The name they kind of the name they kind of hard to pronounce. Guys, it did look a bit cold this morning, so that's why I'm so cloak up, but don't say nothing, man. I'm up on the road from there. All right, so over here, so them have, oh, New York style fish and chips, Cuban sandwich, pina colada daiquiri, all in one, wings, chicken fingers, steak sandwich. Them also have Big of yourself, Thomas. Welcome in. The poll vote is up, guys. Tap the vote. Will you eat here? Food truck heaven. That's where we are. And this, Jesus Christ, that truck they're going with it. They're on different vibes. And over here, them have polo frito. Them why a Spanish? Many if you take a Spanish course. Honestly. All right, let me see what they have over here. So no, Mediterranean food. Somebody did ask about Mediterranean food. Somebody did ask that. Here we are. Let me see what them have. Them have vegan burger. Ooh, beef chicken mix. Wow, them have a good amount of stuff. Me like that. Yes, you did ask that, Derricka. There it is. They have it. Come in, woman. Did see that, you know. Big up yourself. So they have something for you as well. Ooh. Philly cheesesteak, Cuban sandwich, all of that. Ooh, I love these. I love these. Frappes. Yum. Guys, you don't see what anything we want yet? Oh, it go. Over here, so them have berra. Me shut my mouth, yeah, because me nah go embarrass myself with the pronunciation. Coffee. Blood of mercy. They have Korean corn dog. Remember, me bring on this already. Gonna have a Korean corn dog. So, if me never get that, I get it here. So, over here, so them have sandwich, empanadas. Ooh, chicken and pork. Over there, so look good. No, sir. Oh, no, see no one. No, me can't believe you're here. Are your name so long? Why your name so long? Afi. Me can call you Afi? Yeah, me can call you Afi. Cause your name too long, man. By the time me done at 3 minutes, me take to pronounce your name. Well, yeah, go name. Uno, me want to help me decide. Thank you for the thumbs up. All right, over here, so them have a sushi menu, sushi bar. Alaska, Fiji, meat lover, orange, volcano. Them have whole heap of things. But yeah, guys, as you can see, this food truck heaven, it is not as big as the last one we went to. But Afi me name. Afi. Hi, Jesus. We're not gonna do this. But oh, see, yeah, over here, so them have Chinese food and them have steak, hamburger. I'm looking around. I want them. I'm gonna try sell me everything. But yeah, guys, this look good though. So steak sample. The last steak sample we get, yes, you say we have I'm looking. Let me see.
Brazilian food, okay?
Oh, Brazilian food.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see.
Have a skewer with garlic bread included.
Mm-hmm.
And I have a combos with 3 sides. Rice,
Oh,
beans,
wow.
salad, French fries.
Oh, okay.
And I have a popsicle.
Oh, they have the pop. Oh,
Yeah, so delicious.
and that's the fruit pop. Fruit
Fruits.
pop. Ah,
Natural fruits.
got it. Okay, thank you. I'm still looking around. Thank you. That look good though, guys. Even the popsicle. What state is this? We are in, I think we're in Kissimmee right now. But yeah, that is it. You see? We do the whole lap. We lap everything. That's basically it. Wanna think? Brazilian popsicles. That really alright. That's one like we have to go try the Brazilian popsicle. Me say the man make me try the steak and the nice but the salt. Oh, Gyro, gyro. Afia, a Brazil you come from? I want to find somewhere to go sit down. And then we can start it. Got it. Pick up yourself, chat. Demetrius. Got it. I wait me find something now. We're there in the line. Let's see what them have. Come and what it now Mediterranean food. Why everybody are lean to Mediterranean? Jesus Christ. I don't know, Ben. A food me I defend right now. I'm sure no what they have over here, so. Alright, so over here them have Jesus Christ. You no read for me, because I know say me go back at class, you know. That's why I never hear my content. Yeah. I never born with that part there upstairs. So Jesus. Chicken grill, them have steak. Oh, see there? So I think let me move away. No, I just say truth. Over here, so even this barbecue palari, that's something there. All the buffet, they may think the buffet, the platter with all of the option them is a good way to go. What you think? Me just say a big, I just say truth. Me just say guys, you know, thank you for the likes. So this is when I like it have ribs, it have the one think like the big platter is the way to go with everything panny. And sometimes when we can't decide, you know, guys. Nobody now answer. Jesus Christ, me done. I give up. It's fine. Meditate. Afi, limit, please. Thank you.
Hello, gracias.
I think that's too much food. No, remember say I know me alone there, you know. Me and my family there. I know me alone. And the whole of we there. Remember say una my family too. So unless uno no want nothing to eat, then me just get something for myself. That's fine. Me just I say. I'm just saying. Okay, that's true. Okay, all right, just checking. Yeah, so me did them. Me think say that we are gonna get, and me feel like me have to go try one of this, cause this look really good. We are gonna do one after we eat. Wow, go on, Stuart, you're here. Big of yourself. Thank you for the likes. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. But yeah, just in case you're new and you are just joining us, we're at Food Truck Heaven. Yes, it is a smaller one from World Food Truck. Actually, they're like maybe 7 minutes away from each other. I would take the ribs and fries. All right, Chad, thank you for your order because at least me know. Say, all right, me need to get extra ribs for you. Thank you, Stuart. Appreciate it. Appreciate you. Yeah, always I got check in. Love that. So we there, me and wait for my food because I done order already. But this nice though. Me like this. Today the weather is a little bit cool. Mediterranean. Afi, come down now. You understand? Please. Mediterranean food. Oh Jesus. Yeah, so I could just have a seat right now, cause you know how I come down. It is such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Many if it, you know, me get one something to catch up my phone. Maybe I best time to try it out. Miami next. Tony Star. Can I be a you're not really here. Oh, them have the umbrella something we can use to catch up the phone. So guys, what go on and talk to me now? I food them I wait pan for ready. Cause you know say when we there wait pan the food. It take a while. I look like them have to kill the goat and them have to boil off the cow skin. I don't know what them have to do with the goat. It take long, so I eat me there wait pan now. So I wanna say I don't have mods over here, guys. Thank you for being here. But me notice say, I learn because the Sunday dinner when me put up today, some people, not all, actually choose one. And I'm like, oh wow. Would you look at that? That's crazy. Unu belly, unu is a big back, you know, unu belly very long. Unu belly very long. Me just excited. Me can't wait for the food for reach. So I don't know if anybody tuned into the the last rum herb series that we did. And if you guys don't know, we have a cooking series going on where we get different cooks from all over the world, and sometimes even myself jump in and show like some, traditional meals and whatever. Check it out on the page just in case I'm not there upon Sunday, or maybe I don't even want to check out page. Post cooking videos, food videos, all about different things. Which Jamaican have long belly, probably right. Probably right. I'll me would afraid to go on night with all uno. Cause I don't want soup, I don't want fish, I don't want rice, peas, I don't want everything. No limit, man. And this is why, Tami, you cause it because you are foodie and you turn us into food. That is not true. That is not true, Stuart. That is not true. You guys were already big bucks. I don't know like why people love to blame people for their choices that they make in life. I did not do anything. Polly, no, I did not do it. You guys were already there. That's why you don't find me, And that's why you don't find me, because if only would have find me. You see, birds of a feather, we should stick together. Birds of a feather. Uno was already that bird. Okay? So don't do that to me. I'm just saying. Yes? Yes, ma'am. Why? One big bag family, right? If me have another page or somewhere that name it, one big bag family. Great. Honestly. I love this too. One big bag family. But overall, you see, when we wake up this morning, it was 43 degrees. You hear me? Stuart, you have to come down now. Birds of a feather, and you are the leader. Hey, you ever watch the show named Migration? Or nobody don't watch that show there? That movie. It's like a J-Wagwan. It's like a animated movie called Migration. Yes, right? So, all right. Come and love when me attack, you have a visual in the head. You notice when them just see that go fly off for the first time, and you have the leader with them say, all right, you're going to be the point of the V. You're going to be the point of the V. That's yours? You're going to be the point of the V, right? So, the point of the V, that is you, Stuart. That is you. Birds want it. Yes. You are the point of the V. So nobody come in and talk about say, oh, I mean, not yes, so. I love that movie so much. I mean, when you're late, but I would watch it again. Even that, it's like, it just speaks to you in so many different ways. Be like, whoa. Not Stuart using up the emotes. Everybody have access to emotes. That is so cool. Oh Jesus, me I feel weird. Just blow the wind back to the rest. Just blow the wind back so the rest of us can fly. Black to flying it. Mama. We don't have to do that. Oh my God. Guys, the food reach. Jesus Christ. May I have to show you this. What butterfly? Are you ready for this? Hold on. Make me open everything. Jesus Christ. Are you guys ready for this? Let's go. Oh my God. Screenshot. Okay, so as you can see here, let's get the close up. We have the sausage, right? We have steak. We have ribs. You have chop up chicken here, so it look good, you know. You have some look sauce something on the corn. This corn is everything. Oh, Jesus. Mercy. Fix this. Let me fix on up. Let me fix on up. Come on, to know if you see. You not see me good? It can't look nice, right? Let me try it first. Big back mode, so you know me have to free. Let's go. The ear, all right. The main reason why I wear hats, guys, is so like when I eat, the hat did if support, feel like take the ear out of my face. So see what you know. Hey, let's go. You can't see the food? You can't see the food? Why you can't see the food? Sit there. What do you mean you can't see the food? You're from Brazil. Big up from Brazil. Con. Jesus Christ. Probably come down. No. This is a different. This is a different truck. I never eat one with it salt. Sweet and juicy. It is so good. Them used to me by now. It is so good. This food, I think it's from Costa Rica. Let me show me flag. That's the flag. What flag is that? What's the name of that flag? Costa Rica? Oh my God, so good. All right, I could try the other stuff. What are you eating? Okay, so that's a very good question. We get the platter. I don't know everything what they eat, but it's nice. It's the platter, everything, one of everything that they have. Jesus. Yes, Lord. So I'm gonna make sure we try the steak. Ooh. Ooh. How the food truck coming along. You're talking about my food truck? That's what you're talking about? Well, I'm not telling you, like, you see the first steak what we did eat over there? Yes! Stark, you remember? Okay, so we're trying to work on the food truck, guys. Thank you for asking. So, what did it say with your eyes? The corn, it was so good. The steak, I don't know if I did want to cook look more hour, but some part I kind of tough. Some part I kind of tough. Like, when you see me that try bite a while ago. The salted steak, the taste. The salted steak did taste better. The only thing it did salt. That I problem. Now for the food truck, we are doing our research. Wagwan Tasha, welcome in. We're doing our research to make sure that, you know, we find out the prices, what we need, and everything like that before we put it out there. The steak is tough. Before we put it out there and stuff. But we're working on it. We're working on it. 20, thank you. Wagwan Feed, big up on yourself. Welcome in, guys. Yeah, but the corn so far is my favorite. So I'm showing you the flag. Would not tell me which country that is. It Costa Rica? Right, yes. I want to get everything in order first before me, like, you know, put it out there. But just by you guys being here, you know, watch my videos, you know, like, comment, share, that help us in a lot of ways. Thank you guys so much. This is what?
Chicken empanada.
Okay. Catching up back. All right, so now we have plantain chicken empanada. Great. Nobody can copy the accent. So I'm not really taste not me, because I be a bread me I eat, so I have to go bite during the night. Oh no, that's not the flag. What's the name of that country? That flag? The flag on the truck.
I heard you.
You don't know? Oh, me don't know. Oh, with taste. All right, the crust part very flaky, hot. But I want to taste the come let me have to go broke it, guys. I'm launching our juice business. You're gonna love it, pure natural. Oh, that is so good, Tony. Happy to hear that. Go for it. You see, everything down in the bottom. It come like so when you get patty and it hot, everything down in the bottom. No, it's very soft. It's very soft. I like it. But it just coming like it's dough. You know, like fried dumpling, but very thin. It's nice. And the buttery too. Very. See? Screenshot. All right, guys. So the chicken cooked, but the chicken just plain. You see, you don't really have like no flavor or anything. It just come like so when you just cook chicken like so, and you shred it up and you put it in it. That's it. But see, if I did me now, would I season up the chicken? Yeah. The concept is very nice, and this crust part tastes really good. Screenshot. Yeah. Or them go light pan season, but I go heavy pan, you know. Season to the bone. So yeah. But other than that, it tastes good. Oh, but I guess if them give you some sauce, ketchup, like to put on it, maybe that. Oh, yes, Venezuela. The first one, Venezuela. Okay, that's it. Butterfly. It looks like it's a Venezuela. When I put the ketchup on it, it tastes better. Or maybe if they have like some barbecue sauce or I don't know, jerk sauce, that would have slapped. It's good. It alright, man. It cook. You know, salt nor nothing. But like me say, look at sauce would make it perfect. At least I think so. But the crust, love it. Well buttery and everything. So try sausage. Oh. As I look pan, she said it's seasoned. Black pepper, everything in it. Me not even gonna say good. Everything in it. So right now we're trying food from Venezuela. Yes, fave. So far at the corner lead. I don't know if I saw this video, but I not tell no lie. I don't know if I not grew up when I used to roast chicken out of the door. And I used to roast chicken out of the door. And sometimes a piece of chicken burn up. Oh damn, watch them out, seductive rich. Welcome in. It hit because look, you see if you see around the edges, that's what I talk about. So much people already vote. 75 people? That's crazy. The vote are go more and more. Thank you for the likes, guys. I appreciate. Chicken. Seductive, big up yourself. Thank you for passing through. You always reach when the food reach, you know. I got me notice with you. You're always there when the food reach. This we are talk about in what Indo man? In the way I mean, me always over here every Sunday. What you mean? I'm always here. Good time. Me know. You like to smell the rat. Alright. You see the first part when me did taste? Make me taste one another one. Because I know sometimes when you cook chicken, some part tough and some part, you know, we take longer to cook. So, me not say nay. Okay. 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 The one here, better. The first piece we taste, me not tell no lie. Me not tell no lie, it look like say, it couldn't cook look longer. But the piece here cook. Natural face. Good vibes. Pick up yourself, Powell. Thank you. Welcome in. I have food. Me know, yeah, them have food that we eat over here, so we not eat mackerel and them thing there. Like what? Me say, hey, seductive, let me tell you something. You see when we walk past, cause me giving you a tour first, you know, if you want you can watch the live replay. And here when I'm on them. Come on over here, come and try the steak. Come and try the steak. So hear me know. What? For free? For free. And him say, yes. And him cut the steak and give me, see me a run gone over there. Hear me say, guys, steak. So the man give me the steak pan the toothpick. I me go on to oh me did me excited, me near me down. You see when me go on me chew 2 times. Salt, you know, like when you can't pork, me say this something clap me in my head side, me say me feel it. Me say, God, you see why I get with you free, no sir. Me see the reason, too enough. God no, big back, big welcome Jennifer in the flesh. Salt. I swear, anybody who did there before can't tell you. Anybody who did there from the beginning can. I don't lie me I tell. True. That's why we come on a different part where they have this steak. Because look, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. The steak, it was very tender, soft, nice, flavorful, like everything. Everything like a steak supposed to be. The only problem was the salt. The salt like you get to a man. Black. Favorite color is black. I say when you enough you see. That's why you don't feel love everything for free, you know. Alright, Polly. Big up. Thank you for always being here every time. Appreciate you. Felt like a pita. Where the ital sit? Where's the ital sip at? Line us up. We don't have no ital sip over here. I say they have one them have one fruit bar, like what do you call it? Not fruit bar, but like it's like a icicle but made from fruit pop. So I say maybe we can try that one day. Still I recover from the sadness. I'm just saying. But it's frozen. It's on the stick. What's the name of that? Like you make the fruit in icicle. Fruit pop? I don't know. Why we have box on the can I see? God almighty. I love it. That's my favorite thing from the whole plate. Let me see it. Ice, yeah, that is it pleasant. Period. So, anybody else watch that movie? Migration with the bird them. I love that movie so much. I would watch it again. If you haven't, you should check it out. Thank you for the voting. Thank you for the likes. Icy pop, that is it. Why seductive? That's why I like when you hold on the day, I know, because you're not very helpful, you know. Anything me no know, you know. I love that. No, me and I tell you the truth. I just stay on here. But that is it, 20. Period. 20. I start say your last name. You know, so that is a very big name, powerful name. If that's your last name, for true, you need to run it. You need to run it. Me not tell no lie. Because the name they just sound, yeah. Yeah. No, man. I am right. Right. Why one Casey? Big up this. Right. Me say so. Me tell you no seductive. Why you just say what me I think or what me want try say. I true. Why one what? And I love that. Oh, okay. Got it. Now we know. Now we know. Right. Can't bother we don't know, you know. Can't bother we don't know at all. Look, cause we're not going to do that, okay? First of all, I'm not that loud. First of all, I am not that loud, okay? All right, so don't. I say it's so fitting. I just know what it say like cover. I am done. I could only have 10 more than can, yeah. If me didn't know, I would have just take the can alone. But then say can not digest, you know. So I not even know why purpose. Honestly. I didn't full your belly neither. So why we eat can? These are the questions we need answers for. Thank you guys. So 95 people voted. Would you eat here? Here is food truck heaven. This is our second food truck spot. Our first one was World Food Trucks. That was the biggest food truck spot in Florida. It was so good. Love it. Love it. So seductive limit. I'm done with you. Welcome back, Ben. Big up yourself. what what are we having for lunch? Well, pleasant gift. So we are having lunch from Venezuela. We had corn. We don't know what kind of corn this. With all of this something in pan, the Cajun pepper, seasonings and all of that. You know, like that Mexican style of corn. Yes, I don't know. They had the sausage, grilled sausage. So good. We had steak. Some cook, some not cook. Some salt, some not salt. We have grilled chicken. Delicioso, yes. We had a little mix seasoning right there, sir. Yes, wonderful, delicious. We also had, I think this is like roast chicken back. You know, when you grow up and you put piece of chicken pan a stick and I try roast it over a fire and you see the local part there, so you're probably distracted look of it and a bun. Yep, that's what we're having right there. And we also add in this, we add like a plantain thing, and it was good. Oh my God. Jesus Christ, I am dead. I'm done. I can't even see myself. What is going on? Screenshot. Screenshot. Guys, isn't this fabulous? It's a whole island. Yeah, Emmanuel, man. It's a whole island, though. Guava. What you say, what?
Strawberry guava.
Strawberry guava. All fruits. This is so delicious. Guava trang. Oh my God. Like, can I just have one of these every day? Like, honestly, refreshing, sweet, naturally. It is an actual guys, I'm not even showing no inside. Hold on, let me show you what I want. Because I don't know see what I want. Look at this. Look there. Look at this decor, huh? Come on now, hello. Jeez. Umbrella and everything, cherry and all that. I am dead. I am dead. Amazing. It's so good. It's so, guys, would you drink that? Would you drink this, honestly? Would you drink this? All right, look how much pineapple they give me. I could taste if it's sweet, because you know sometimes when they give pineapple, it's not sweet. Oh my gosh. Guys, yeah. You got it? Another one. I don't know when we got here, but here we are. Emmanuel, limit. What is the name of this one? blue raspberry lemonade. No rum, no in it. So no bother with it, alright? We met. Oh, it is so refreshing. It is so refreshing. I love it. Oh my gosh. It is very light. Alright, so you see if you're gonna eat food and you want something to drink with your food and so. Yeah. Yeah. So good. I vibration. Thank you. It can't be blueberry. It is. Blue raspberry, guys. You're not listening now? But this is my favorite. It's the pineapples for me though. It actually sweet. You know something then just very quenching. That is it, Emmanuel. You know sometimes with the pineapple them just use them for decoration and when you taste it sour. So this completely opposite. I am dead. Honestly. Natural blue raspberry don't look like that. Raspberry are red. It's a blue raspberry. There's actually a fruit called blue raspberry. I don't know what just when I say. That may I say. This is the one though, guys. I love it. It's good. So which one would you guys choose? The guava strawberry or would you guys choose the blue raspberry lemonade? Which one? It is so good. It's delicious. I love it. You choose this one? Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm gonna tell me some ear I go down tonight. But yeah. Alright, so everyone who are just joining us, we are at Food Truck Heaven. If you missed it, the beginning with the grand tour, you can watch the live replay. You know, watch it, check out all the live replays. We go live every Sunday. Feel free to check them out. We have a playlist where you can check it out. We also have our Rum Earth cooking series where we cook. We drop video every Wednesday. We show you how to cook another, different traditional meal. Sometimes we have guest chef that come in to show you what to cook. And then another time we would cook something ourselves. It is good. Anytime you get something called blue raspberry, it's regular. Raspberry is with full coloring. Okay, Ben. Okay, but yeah. I'm not telling a lie, but it's somebody did want the ice pop, but that hit the spot. I don't need nothing else. Thank you, Thomas. Guys, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't as yet. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified whenever we go live. But today was a good day. I not lie. My favorite was the corn and the guava pineapple juice. It was everything. Guys, thank you all so much for joining us. Big up yourself. I appreciate you all so much. Once again, I will see you guys next week, Sunday. Also, we will be dropping a new episode this Wednesday. Emmanuel, no bother with you, late, and we've been here for a while. We've been here for a while, and you are late. Okay? Been where you just reach. No bother with it. Big up on yourself. Thank you for everybody who thumbs up the live. Thank you all so much. Remember, if you guys haven't followed me, follow me on. You can follow me on Instagram at Tami Winkle, okay? And follow the Rum Earth channel, Rum Earth on Instagram too. Yeah. But once again, guys, big up on yourself. Why also me know say me a trend, you know? Well, me ask them the question here. Only thing say me look like Kaisen for true because the amount of somebody come over here and say me look like Kaisen. Come, who? Eh? Wanna say? Wagwan, Sally.
Pizza a la derecha.
Emmanuel, you have to come down now. You know they on the internet, none at all, not true?
Todavía que venden oblea. No, Carlos, papi.
You know they on the internet, none at all. One of the biggest streamers right now on Twitch.
Sí.
Yeah. It's like a whole reality show going on over there. Yeah, man. Oh, it's have... yeah, I think I heard that his dad is mixed with Jamaican or something like that. I'm not sure. But I don't see what they're talking about. So I'm like, everybody then say favor, somebody make favor myself. He Haitian? His mama Haitian? Period. Right, that's all. He mix, okay. All right, guys, big up on yourself. Thank you guys so much for always supporting me. Yo, I appreciate each and every one I own. Thank you guys so much. Have a blessed Sunday here. Gotta go. Bye.